this tutorial, we'll be looking into how to build questionnaires within MySchool. The questionnaire feature enables administrators to collect data and consent from parents and guardians. To access, go to Administer, Advanced Options, and find questionnaires in the list. Create a new questionnaire from the list page, or in this case, we open an existing one. The questionnaires are either active or expired. Let's first look at the setup. The description is the title of the questionnaire. It is visible to the audience, so be clear when labeling the questionnaire. Questionnaires are published on the portal, so here we decide how long they will remain active, and then, after this date, it will move to the expired list. Let's open this questionnaire and change its date, so we can test the results at the end. When publishing, you can send an email firstly to advise users that a questionnaire needs their attention, then a reminder email, and also a thank you mail when the questionnaire has been completed. This can be changed by using the Edit template. Check the article on editing standard messages. You can also choose to save the filled questionnaire to the student's profile. In a new questionnaire, the bottom section will be empty. To add questions, then click Add Section. You will have to select a target audience in parent submissions before you can preview the form. In this example, we have the questions created and the audience chosen. So when we press Preview, we can see how the form looks to the recipient. We have included each question type. To access how they look, then click on the pen icon to the right. Raw text fields are used for intros and headers. They will not require a reply. The Rich Text Editor allows users to include hyperlinks and formatting. If you wish to include HTML code in the questionnaire, then select Raw HTML. Confirm Existing Data allows users to give answers that will directly update the student profile, mainly used for contact, medical, and consent reasons. If you are asking subjective questions, then you may need to have a large text reply field. The most commonly used question is the multiple single choice or radio buttons. This will prompt the user to give one answer from a choice. If the question is mandatory, then check the required box. Enter the question in the text field and add the alternative 3 choices. If you allow users to have multiple answers, then use the checkboxes and create the answers in the same way. Another way to request a single entry is the drop-down list. This may be preferred to reduce space used by the online form. You can ask subjective open-ended questions by using the small text input. Just note the character limit in the open fields. Now let's add the audience to test and preview the form. Even though the field says Add Students, the target will be the main guardians. Simply choose the target using the People Picker. Here we already have a target audience. They are set to non-invited. We will be prompted to send them the form when we save. Press Preview to see how the form looks. Now press Save, and a window will prompt you to choose an action. Each save you can send the initial mail. Or if the parents have not submitted their replies, a gentle reminder can be initiated as well. Let's now impersonate a recipient and see how it looks. The questionnaire dashlet is activated when a questionnaire is published. Users only have to click on Open to start the process. When they submit, this will be recorded in the list within the questionnaires.